one of the things that my tutu was known for is recording music that could accompany hula lessons. So it was very easy for Kumu Hula to teach music to their haumana because all of her albums were very easy to follow with hula. 2 verses, 2 vamps. If there was an instrumental, it was minimal. But one of the favorite hulas at the time I was growing up, probably still is this number we'll do for you. Traditional number called Iali Ino Oi, featuring Kumu.
She's terrific.